Alright guys, so we sold the CRV. I know it's one of the first vehicles that did videos on this channel on. We're going to go and do the headlights. I got a freaking awesome headlight kit. I'll put a link in the description to it. It's the Meguiars kit, and this kit comes with, look at this place, is a freaking train wreck. It comes with the clear coat. Let me grab it, hold on. It comes with the clear coat, and the biggest difference on this is not an aerosol. This you wipe on with the little piece of sponge, which they give you right here, and it actually fills in all the imperfections. They give you plastic X to buff it with. They give you also a little buffing wheel for your drill. They give you a palm sander. They give you 1000 and 3000 grit, and it's real super easy. We'll show you real quick how to do it. So we're going to start off with our 1000 grit. We're going to start off with a little bit of soapy water. We have some in a bleach white container here. It's got a tiny bit of soap in it, and there's a lot of bugs on your lights. Go ahead and start off by cleaning your lights off with Windex. This kit's made to do the headlights on the car. I mean, these things are freaking nasty. Alright. Get a microfiber. Maybe, let me grab one, hold on. Alright, microfiber, wipe that off. Now, we'll go on with the 3000 grit next. That's going to take the scratches from the 1000 out. Wipe that off. Then we're going to go back with the Swirl X. Plastic X, my bad. There's that. Now, you're going to want to Windex it. You're going to want to Windex it to cut that compound. It looks good, but if you don't do the final step, it's not going to last at all. Let that dry just a hair. I'll give it just a second here. We'll let it dry. Alright. This is the secret ingredient. You could actually buy this separately on Amazon. If I could find it, I'll put a link below. If you have your own buffer, you don't really need the rest of this stuff. You can use buffing compound, get to this point. But this stuff is what you got to have. And it goes on so freaking easy is why I like this so damn much. And this is not a paid advertisement. I'm just showing you what works. A lot of people don't know this. To get this exact kit, we're just going to squidge out some on the little deal there. We're just going to wipe it. And you want to put a real nice wet coat on it. You can see it's almost running off. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't smell like clear coat. I don't know what the hell it is. And that's it. Now, it'll automatically self-level. you don't want to keep messing with it. Like if I wait a few minutes, go back and tire wipe it again, you don't want to do that. It's going to make it all smeary and all sticky. So the cure time on this was 15 minutes before you could touch it, 24 hours, 100% cure. So you can see this is the finished product. Jesus. This one's got cataracts. This one don't. Not every car will cut that easy. Some of the BMWs and Audis have a clear coat on them. You got to sand off before you could do this. For those cars, usually I start with 800 on a DA sander and go 1,000 and then 3,000 and do it like that. Then buff, then clear it. But that's the situation, guys. Thought you'd like to know. This thing is no longer going to be on the channel. That's the headlight restoration kit. Thanks for watching.